Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Pho Boga Mekong is a Vietnamese restaurant on Swanston Street in Melbourne, Australia, known for its authentic and flavorful pho dishes. With a casual yet classy ambience, this restaurant offers a variety of options for takeout, reservations, and delivery, making it a convenient choice for diners. Customers rave about the quality and selection of pho, with options like char-grilled chicken, beef brisket, and grilled pork pho. The restaurant's use of top-grade Australian beef and unique thin pho noodles sets it apart from traditional pho establishments, making it a must-visit for pho enthusiasts in the area. Customer reviews rave about the flavorful and authentic dishes served at Pho Boga Mekong. From the famous pho noodles to grilled pork and chicken dishes, every item on the menu is sure to satisfy your cravings for Vietnamese cuisine. The restaurant's special pho with tendon, tripe, brisket, and beef balls has garnered particular praise from diners. Please like, share, and subscribe.
How's the taste?
Yummy. It's good.
Okay, I'll taste this.
Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs.
Hintayin natin yung food para sabay-sabay tayong kumain. Dito, I want to buy a big.
Can you buy one more
Suma pa nito.
to share? Yeah.
Hintayin mo muna yung pagkain mo. Is it 60?
Can you share?
You give.
Please do watch our other food crawl series.
Gusto ko talaga mag-book sa Gcash mo. Nag-vlog ka na?
Your special cameras? Yep. Just leave there, I'll bring you another
Okay,
one.
alright. Thank you.
Patrons particularly enjoy the sliced beef pho, beef special pho, and the prawn and chicken spring roll, with the latter to often ordered together. The menu also features a selection of spring rolls, including vegetable options, and a variety of drinks such as Vietnamese white coffee and coconut juice.
How's the food?
I love that food. I love it so much. I can eat again here.
Ano ba in-order mo?
Hindi ko alam. Basta gusto
Whether you're in the mood for a hearty bowl of pho or crispy spring rolls, Pho Boga Mekong has something for everyone.
Bakit marami ka?
The restaurant's attentive service and reasonable prices make it a must-visit spot for locals and tourists alike. So, if you find yourself in the Swanston Street area, be sure to stop by Pho Boga Mekong for a taste of authentic Vietnamese flavors.
Paano ka nagbabayad?
Sandali naman.
Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below.
Kasi Gcash eh. I'll be working in Gcash soon. That's okay.
Okay, if you do work
Oh,
there,
3,000 lang. Mura talaga sa Gcash.
if you do work there,
Anong mura? Anong mura?
3,000 na binayad ko.
3,000 pesos?
Sa Gcash.
Magkano ba dapat?
Eh, pag card mahal eh.
Thank you for watching.
Cash.
So, mas mura pag card.
Oo, pag cash. Kaya lang cash.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo pa?